Hello, this is Fred from KAPHAPHYSIO, the physiotherapy device manufacturer, and right now I'm going to present you our upgraded 2-channel magnetic therapy device, PMST Max Duo. Turn on the power, and the code is. And remember that after we install the new handle, we need to start the cooling system to absorb the water from the water tank into the applicator for the heat dissipation. Wait for the 30 seconds. It is necessary to start this cooling system after we change the applicator. Okay, after the 30 minutes, it will start automatically, then we can start to use it. Okay, I would like to use the for 2 channels the same, and we can hear the sound that the water is flowing. Okay, it's done. We can start the treatment. And it is the same. We like to use it for the elbow treatment. Loosen the central lock 100%, and the knob direction is the direction of movement of the applicator, and place it about the treatment area, about our elbow. And remember, if we combine it with the cold laser, the treatment area cannot be covered by the clothes because the laser light cannot penetrate in our clothes. And then here we use the channel B, and here we start the laser and start the magnetic. Right now you can see they are working at the same time. There is a pulse mode of the laser therapy. And during the treatment, if we want to adjust the applicator, we need to loosen the central lock 100%. Remember, it's very important. For example, I would like to change it to another position. I would like to loosen the central lock firstly. And remember, do not move the holding arm if the central lock isn't loosened totally. Otherwise, the thread will be easily damaged. And at the same time, it's the same. You can use another channel to make it work at the same time. It's dynamic. You can see it stimulates the nerve. Look at it. And right now I'm going to install the medium joint applicator. Okay, right here is the pins. And that's it. And install it. Actually to the button. Okay, got this install out. And I installed it. I'm going to use the silicone case, combine it with the cold laser applicator. This is the right combination. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to use the optional median joint applicator and combine it with the cold laser. And we need to remove the flashed applicator firstly. Okay, we will and turn on the power and remove the applicator. Remove this connection. Okay. Okay. Right now I would like to show you the standard accessory, the optional accessory, and this is the muscle applicator. It has a big size for the abdomen, for the low back, and for the fight. We call it muscle applicator because it covers larger treatment area for the muscle group. It has the max intensity up to the 7 Tesla. And this is another standard accessory. It is the smallest magnetic applicator. We call it the joint applicator. Its energy is intensity more focused than other magnetic applicator. Its intensity is 4 Tesla. It can be used for the acupuncture and the trigger point and some of the small treatment area. They can work at the same time because it's a 2-channel magnetic applicator. We can use this one to treat our neck and use this one to treat our low back. And later, we show you the optional applicator. Okay. First of all, it is the medium-sized joint applicator. Why we call it the joint applicator? Because it's more suitable for the joints such as our elbow, shoulder, neck, ankle. We can put our arm into it to cover our elbow, our neck, and also we can combine it with our optional coalition handle using this silicone case. And by combining them, we can accelerate the healing process. As this is a combination, they can work at the same time. Right here, it shows the details in the accessory, and it has a standard accessory and the optional accessory. For the optional accessory, we need to purchase it separately. It is not included in the basic price. And for the standard accessory, it includes 2 kinds of the magnetic applicator with the different size and different intensity. And this one, this shows its size is 26 centimeter and in the diameter. And we call it a muscle applicator because it has a large size for the muscle group, and its max intensity is 7 Tesla. And this one, the smallest one, it is the point applicator. That means its energy to focus on one point. The energy is more focused than the other applicator, and its energy is 4 Tesla. It is more used for the acupuncture, for the trigger points. And for the optional applicator, it is a medium-sized magnetic applicator. We call it the joint applicator, and that means it's more suitable for the joint treatment subject, as our use it in our neck, our elbow, our ankle, and our shoulder. And its max intensity is 5 Tesla. And also there is the coalition applicator. It contains the 16 diodes, and this max outpower is the 5,600 milliwatt. It can combine with the medium applicator by using a silicone case. I will show you the later. Magnetic therapy, it is the magnetic penetration. It can target in our intracellular area to help the cell regeneration, to facilitate the recovery, and for bond union. And right here, it shows the conditions that it can be treated. And in summary, it can be used both for chronic pain and acute pain. It can be used for the degenerative joint disease, and can be used for the musculoskeletal disorders. Actually, we can call it can be used for the reduce the pain and the inflammation in a non-invasive and no side effective and no pain way. For example, it can be used for the frozen shoulder, for the trigger points, for the muscle injuries, and for the tendons. Yes. And this shows how the different sizes applicator work on our body. And this is the smallest one. We call it the point applicator. Its energy intensity is focused, and its intensity is 4 Tesla, the smallest one. And this is the biggest one. Can be used for our large muscle group. We also call it the muscle applicator. And this is the joint applicator. It is a medium size. It can be used more suitable for our joints such as our elbow, shoulder, neck, and ankle. And last picture that shows the combination of 2-channel magnetic applicator, such as I now put on the largest applicator on the 5 and put the smallest ones, use it on our neck combination. This is its important features. Dual-channel high-intensity magnetic machine. Dual-channel means that the 2 magnetic applicators can work at the same time to improve their efficiency. For example, we can treat the 2 patients at the same time, or we can treat 2 treatment areas at the same time. And the high intensity means that its max intensity is up to 7 Tesla. It has an adjustable arm that can free our hands during the treatment. And it has 2 modes, empty mode and ST mode. These 2 modes has the different frequency. Empty mode 1 to 150 Hz for the muscle problem, then ST mode 1000 to 3000 Hz for the deeper penetration and for the bones, tendons, and ligaments treatment. And these 2 modes actually combine the superficial and the deeper penetration. And it adopts the water cooling system. water cooling system has higher efficiency in the heat dissipation, so it can endure the continuous running for 8 hours without any energy loss. So if you have a lot of booking one date, so you can use it continuously for your patients. And F1 to F10, the setting means the frequency channel, it has 10 frequency channels, can be adjusted, can be customized.